Hi guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to be sharing probably the easiest way to apply eyeliner without using liquid eyeliner. I used these tricks when I was first getting into makeup, and it's perfect for those who want to have an eyeliner look but still haven't mastered applying liquid liner. My face is kind of naked right now, and all I have on is some eyebrow cream and some lip chap. Yes, I call it lip chap. Let's get started with the video. You're going to need 4 products to achieve the look I'm going to show you. First, a smudge brush, a gel liner, pencil, a darker pigmented eyeshadow of your choice, obviously, and a mascara. I wanted to show 2 different looks today, one using eyeshadow and one using gel liner. So first what you're going to do is take your eyeshadow and get your brush and kind of, smudge it in there a little bit. Tap off the excess and just grab your eyelid. You're going to stretch it a little bit to the side gently and just start smudging on the eyeshadow. Get as close to the eyelash as possible. And you can already see what a difference it made compared to my other eye. And I'm going to smudge a little bit underneath my eye, just on the outer corner only, to make it pop more. And now I'm going to show you the gel liner look. Guys, this is super easy. Like, anyone can do this. You're going to take the gel liner and you're just going to smudge it on there. Remember to try and get as close to the lash line as possible. And it doesn't have to be perfect, because whatever you mess up, your smudge brush will take care of that. So just apply some. Obviously, you could see mine is not perfect. And I actually want to put a little bit more, so I'm going to darken it a little bit. There you go. And get your brush and just start smudging away. Smudge, smudge, smudge. Oh my gosh, sounds like fudge. You can also create a winged eye look. Obviously that, looks like smudged. It gives you the smudge look, but I like the smudge look, okay? It's really cool. It's kind of more natural looking. Look what I already did to my eyes. Just, they made them pop a little bit. I'm going to put a little bit more under my eye, just from what's left on the brush, just on the outer corner. And there you have it, guys. Super easy, so simple. I'm going to put on mascara. That's the last step. I'm using Lights Camera Lashes by Tarte. I love this mascara, guys. It's so good. Just start applying it on your eye. Oh my gosh, guys, there's something living in the fireplace. Did you hear that? Okay, anyways, back to the video. I'm going to do another coat. Wait until you see, guys. I love this mascara. If you haven't tried it, definitely give it a try. But look at that. Look at that. I love it. I love it. I love it. Now we're going to do the next eye. Just do the same thing. Go in an upward motion while closing your eyeball. Ooh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Second coat. Okay, we're pretty much done with the mascara. Let's do it before and after. Look at that. So simple, guys. Super easy, and you only need 4 products to achieve the look I showed you today. Please like this video, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this coming up.